Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best moisturizer for the dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin and the combination skin. By the end of the video, you will get a clear idea about what kind of moisturizer suits best for you, and watch the video till the end to get the bonus tip. I'm categorizing these moisturizers into day and night moisturizing creams and also as a body and face moisturizing creams. Obviously, these are the moisturizers which I'm using on my body and the face, and I would also like to switch the moisturizers according to the season, like a summer and a winter, because my skin gets a little dry in winter season, like around my chin area, and also it's normal to combination in summer season. Yeah, without wasting the time, let's get started. So in this, these are the face moisturizers and all these are body moisturizers. These are the moisturizers which is, so the first moisturizer I'm showing you is from the Kaya Everyday Essentials. The package, you can see it is in a kind of a luxury, that it's having a glass package and it comes in a mug like this. Coming to the ingredients, it's having a shea butter and the kokum butter. Shea butter is mainly used for softening your skin, and also it is used to condition, tone and soothe your skin. It is having all that inflammatory and healing properties. Kokum butter is very light in weight and it is mainly used to heal dryness and cracked skin, and also it helps to soften your skin and promotes the elasticity. Of this product is around 650 rupees. You will get it in a discount for about 100 rupees. So I got this for about 550 rupees. You can always order in Nykaa, Amazon, or you can buy in Kaya clinics. The product is having a light texture, as you can see in this video. It can be used for all the skin types: dry skin, combination skin and oily skin. It doesn't make your skin oily or chappy. It gives you a mild hydration, but if you're having an extreme hydration, I don't suggest this product for you. It's having a light fragrance, little pricey for the quantity, but investing in a good moisturizer is very important for healthy skin. And the next moisturizer cream I'm taking is Cetaphil. I personally use this for my body as well as a face. If you're having an extreme dryness and a sensitive skin, and this is the best product for you. The product comes in a tub or in a tube. This is one of the best seller moisturizer. The uniqueness of this product is it's a fragrance free. It gives you 24 hours of hydration so that you don't have to apply it multiple times a day. This moisturizer does suit for all skin. Dermatologist has approved this for sensitive skin, and also it works best on dry, oily and combination skin. It is a lightweight product. Once you apply it on the skin, it is a little sticky in the beginning, as you can see in the video, but it absorbs into the skin pretty good. It leaves the skin feeling like a smooth and hydrated. You can see in the video how hydrated the skin looks now. I personally use this product in a winter season when my skin gets chappy. They do have various packages, and they do have a product in particular skin types and also for all skin types. So before buying, you can check once. And next is a CeraVe moisturizer. It's my personal favorite night cream, so I do have a lot of these. This product is strictly for the night. In the packaging also they have mentioned it as a PM and night moisturizing cream. The uniqueness is it's ultra lightweight so that skin can breathe during night, and it is oil free, so you don't feel any oily or anything chappy on your skin. This product is also directed by the physicians, and it is a fragrance free moisturizer. It is having a pump to take the product out, that is like way easier during night time. They do have a small sealing on the tip of the pump so that it doesn't leak that easily. And for the best application, take a little quantity of the product or apply it in a dots where needed around your face and gently smooth until thoroughly absorbed. Just apply this product before going to bed, and you can feel the refreshment of your skin when you wake up. They do have a morning moisturizer which is mentioned as AM with SPF 30. If you're having a sensitive skin with minor irritation and itching and those flare-ups, then this is the best moisturizer for you. The main ingredient of this is oatmeal and ceramide tree. This is again a fragrance and a steroid free. The best part of this product is they have clearly mentioned the benefits of each ingredient they have used in the product. It's appropriate for adults, children and babies 3 months and older. I had used this moisturizer when my skin was badly flared up, and even now I use this whenever I get a small rashes when I wake up. You do get in a small packaging, so you definitely give a try. This moisturizer is clinically proven to relieve and soothe dryness, itchiness and eczema prone skin. As you can see, it is having a thick consistency. The texture is not that lightweight, but it doesn't leave a greasy or oily texture on the area applied to. As you can see, the moisturizer is completely absorbed to skin. So here is a quick review of a face moisturizers. I use the Cetaphil and Kaya for the day, and Eucerin is for sensitive skin, and CeraVe is for night. So these are the body moisturizers, and you know the fact that you get the benefits of those only when you use it on the regular basis. This Nivea moisturizer is very affordable for the quantity. I do use it every day after my shower. It actually doesn't give 48 hours of hydration as mentioned in the package, because I have to use it a couple of times in a day. Texture of the moisturizer is not too heavy, and it is really good for the dry skin in the summer as well as the winter. It's having a nice smell and keeps the skin soft and hydrated. It's alcohol free, and again it's one of the best drugstore body lotion. It absorbs very quickly and gives a nice shine on your skin, doesn't look greasy. Affordable option is very much appreciated. This is one such must try product. I love all of Bath and Body Works moisturizing cream, but I love wearing this one especially because it is having a long lasting scent, not at all overpowering, and it's a very pleasant smell. It leaves your skin silky, soft and hydrated with a tint of warm vanilla sugar fragrance. A good choice if you are sensitive to strong scents. Trust me, it is just the best one. This product is from Body Shop. This product is called as an obsession because it works so better, and if you sweat too much, this product is perfectly for you because it gives a nice fruity fragrances. And then when you apply, you can see the texture is very lightweight, and it keeps the rehydrating lotion all the time and gives a nice cooling effect, and the ultimate part is its fragrance. This is one of the best product from Body Shop. It's called as the strawberry body yogurt. It smells like a strawberry and just looks like an yogurt. This is not more like a butter kind of a cream. It's mostly the gel cream, and it's 100% vegan free, and it is totally enriched with the strawberry juice. The name is strawberry body yogurt. These are the mini moisturizers from CeraVe and Cetaphil. Whenever I do travel, I do keep it in some travel kit and essential kit. So it helps to relieve some moisturizing lotion, and if your skin is kind of an irritating when you're traveling outside and exposed to any heat or a change of environment, these products works best. The bonus tip: before buying any of the expensive moisturizers or the bulkier one, you can always look for the test samples whenever you visit stores or online, so that if you like it, you can buy a bigger one. And I hope you all got a clear idea about the moisturizers to use. Just want to share you one thing. Today I've reached 300 subscribers. Thanks everyone for your support. This means a lot to me. I hope you all like this video and also the bonus tip. Take a minute to hit that like button and comment whatever you feel. If you're a new follower, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.